All right, as you guys can see. Pulled over by CHP. What in the world? Hold on, let's put the camera right here. Come on, officer. I know it's coming. Oh yeah, come on. Come on, officer. Oh yeah. Come on with it. What's my license at? Come on. How you doing, officers? Here's my license,
sir.
How you doing?
For the stop was a loud exhaust.
Sorry about that.
And your window tint really dark.
Here's my license and registration. I know it's expired. I sent a thing to the DMV to get it renewed. It's coming soon.
How's it going, bro?
I'm doing good. How about you, officer?
You have your insurance?
Yes. I can pull it up right now on my phone.
Can you get it, please?
Yes, sir. I got you. Got you right now. Is this good? Can I use this? Hold on. Can you go based off this? My card?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
That's your insurance, right?
Yes, sir. USAA.
Hey, brother. Any reason why you haven't paid your tax?
My what?
Your tax?
Okay, so I paid it, but it didn't register my insurance, so I had to like mail in it physically.
Okay.
But it should be coming back within like the next week or so.
I got that.
It's paid though. It's paid though.
All right, man. Hang tight, all right, dude?
Yes, sir. I got you guys. Thank you so much. All right. As you can see, standing right there. They pulled me over for a loud exhaust, and ooh, look at G-Wagon. Tough. I think we should be good though. Hopefully. He's pulling out that citation book. Uh-oh. He's pulling out that citation book. Oh no. Come on, CHP. Hey, do me a good one today. You guys are feeling generous. Please give me no ticket at all. Come on. I got a fresh fade. Come on, officer. Come on, give your boy no ticket, please. Please, no ticket. Please, no ticket. Please, no ticket. Come on, we always be getting pulled over, bro. This is like an annual thing, you know, at this point. I tried to get away from them. I tried to like finesse my way through, but it didn't work. He got me. He pulled me over. He got me. We should be good though. We should be good. Come on, officer. Boys, we got pulled over right now by CHP. I was revving it in the tunnel with the Lambo. Lambo got away. I didn't get away. Dang it. We should be all good though. Kind of have expired tax though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Come on, boys. Let's go. Hey, y'all boys, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe in the video. Because I'm taking one for the team once again. Come on, officer. Make it like quick. Make it snappy. Make it snappy. I gotta go get my matcha. Let's go. Dang it, bro. That was bad timing, bro. I was revving it in the tunnel, and I guess they heard that, bro. Come on. I have a matcha I have to go get, bro. We're gonna make this snappy. No ticket. No, I think we need a ticket. Hopefully it's just for expired tags. Hopefully the ticket is just for expired tags. That's gonna be quick and easy to get dismissed or just pay it off, whatever. Hopefully it's not for window 10 and loud exhaust and state rep and this gabagoo and goobaga, bro. Don't have time for all that. Oh my gosh. Bro, I was revving it in the tunnel like to get on the highway, and then like I guess like 5 cars back, fucking CHP was behind me, bro. I was revving it with the Lambo, and then he turned and I guess he passed the highway patrol, and then there was another tunnel. You know, like in downtown LA to get on the highway, you go onto the first highway, the first bridge, and we were revving it both there, and then the Lambo turned right, and then I went left and like the little underpass, and I started revving it again, and I guess CHP was like in the area, and then he got me, and Lambo got away though. But We all good though. Hopefully I'm getting a ticket. I think I see them writing the ticket right now in my rearview mirror. Hopefully we good though. Hopefully we good. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're pulled over in the middle of Los Angeles highway right now. Look at this. What is he listening to? Dashcam music? Look at that voice. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. This is like Hellcat problems right here, bro. How many times have I been pulled over with this car? Way too many times now. Way too many times now. Let's put it right here. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Yeah, they're about to give me like a laundry list of tickets, bro. Yeah, they about to give me a laundry list of tickets, though. Dang it, bro. If it was regular police, I would have been good. Of course, it had to be CHP, bro. Dang it. It just had to be CHP. Because regular cops, they don't really have jurisdiction like on regular highways or on the highways, unless you're like doing something insanely crazy. But we did not make it through this time. It had to be CHP. Hey, at least the weather's really good today, you know. Feels like, you know, it's another beautiful day in Los Angeles. Bro, I literally just left the house like what, 5 minutes ago, bro. Like we're 21 minutes away. What did bro say? I don't even know what bro said. Come on, bro. Look, we're 21 minutes away. Tell that boy to rev it though. Rev it. Dang it, bro. Usually I don't get pulled over on a day-to-day basis, but I guess today we just got cooked, bro. We got a little bit unlucky, you know. It is what it is, though. I'm gonna take this laundry list of tickets. Go ahead and hand it to me, officer. Go ahead and hand me the laundry list of tickets. And I'm on the wrong highway too, bro. We just gotta sell for Shopify. Hey, make sure you guys go shop my brand, grantlocker.com. I'll put it on screen right here. Also, first link in bio as well. We just gotta sell right now while being pulled over. So that's W's in the chat. Bro, oh my gosh, I'm looking at him right now. He's like, this ticket book is getting like very long. It's like flopping in the wind. That's how long it is. All right, they're discussing. They are discussing. Okay. Okay. I'm still waiting, guys. We're all waiting for the final verdict. We're in this together. This is the quiet SRT fam. Waiting for bro to come back with the verdict. Waiting. Still waiting. Anyways, how's your guys' day going? You guys having a good day? You guys let me know where you guys watching from. You guys watching from California, Florida? Where you guys watching from? Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana, Alaska, Nebraska? Let me know where you guys watching from. Bro, just give me the ticket already, bro. Just give me the ticket, buddy. Give me the ticket already. Bro, this might be a sign to sell this car though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm waiting, bro. I'm double clipping them right now. I'm clipping them on my iPhone. Jeez. I'm clipping them on my iPhone, and also I'm getting them on camera as well for YouTube. At least we're gonna get pulled over and get these tickets, bro. We gotta get the content for YouTube. We gotta get the content for YouTube and Snapchat and Instagram and just everybody. L ticket. 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 Guys, come on, bro. Undercover cop over there. Oh, heck no. Come on, guys. I have content I have to go shoot. Come on. Time is money. Let's go. I'm looking at them in the rearview mirror the whole entire time right now. Come on, let's go. Now it's lucky W marketing. Hopefully one of my followers see me right now, like on side of the highway, and record a clip for me. Because as you can see right now, it's like currently right now. So hopefully one of you guys see me on the highway right now being pulled over and tag me for the free promo. Come on, bro. They are just, I think they're rinsing me right now, bro. The cops seem really chill. Hopefully he's not rinsing me with tickets. Wallahi, relax, bro. Wallahi, relax. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Yeah, buddy, he's giving me a lot of tickets right now. Taking too long. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. I don't like this one bit. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? That's a key clip for like TikTok. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? As you can see, we are pulled over by California Highway Patrol, Officer Pedro. Come on, just give me the ticket already, buddy. They've been back there for what, 15 minutes now. Just hand me the book of tickets, bro. I'm waiting for it, I'm ready. Just give me already, buddy, at this point. Come on, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Oh my gosh. Bro, all right, bro. I just made like 3 TikToks. Still waiting. Yeah, let's get them for loud exhaust. Let's get them for front window tint. Let's get them for side window tint. Should we throw in like another ticket too? Yeah, let's just throw that one in too. Let's throw that one in too as well. Let's just get one more for the fun of it. All right, yeah, let's get 3 more, bro. Yeah. All right, come on. Are you ready? Come on, dude. All right, now he's writing down his license plate, the time and date. Let's get it over with already. Come on, come on, let's go. Bro, oh my gosh. All right, I think they're ready. Not yet? All right, you good? Come on, Muddy. Guys, like, I have content I have to go create, and like, this is taking way too long. Regardless, anything that happens though is just like content for me, so like, that's like, I guess you could say the beneficial part of being a content creator. Anything that happens could be used for content, I guess, if you want to frame it like that. We gotta look at the best out of everything, out of every situation, I guess. Come on, officer. Come on, buddy. Mogging the police officers. Alright, I don't like this. It's taking too long. A little bit sus. Whenever cops take this long, no bueno. These look like new cops too. Alright, boys, as you can see, they're coming back right now. How you doing?
All right, sir. So you are getting a citation for your front windshield tint.
Okay.
It's a correctable ticket. So all you need to do is just sign right there in the box. You can take
All
it to any CHP office and you can correct it right there, okay?
All right. All right, I got you. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
We ain't hit you for the front plate, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys.
All right, man.
These are your documents and your citation.
Okay.
Drive
Thank
safe,
you.
okay, brother?
Yes, sir. You guys too. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, man.
Yes, sir. We all good. We good. We good. Just the front plate. That's it. I mean, just the front. We just got a front. What did we get? We just got a front windshield thing right here. As you guys see, I have Clyde a kid right there, and I have a front window tint, and that's all they got me for. Bro, I was literally revving in their face, and all they hit me with was a window tint ticket. Bro, I'm so like, oh my god, yo, oh my gosh, I got pulled over and somebody recognized me, bro. Yes, sir, bro. I love y'all for real, bro. Hey, let's go. We all good. Haha. Let's go. W finesse. Let's go. We good. Alright, we're on the wrong highway though. Alright, I'll catch y'all boys once we get to our destination. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. Oh, I'm low-key cooked. I don't know if I'm gonna make it now, bro. I gotta hurry up.